GM has acquired a stake in the electric truck maker Nikola. They have that upcoming truck, which they've been showing off, the Badger, set to go into production 2022. We've talked a lot more about Rivian in the past. Ford took a big piece, at least made an investment into Rivian. They're collaborating to some extent. GM wants in on the party. They want to be involved with one of these electric vehicle startups. And now they are. They invested, they purchased an 11% stake in the company. Company stock skyrocketed because now they can use parts. They can share resources. They can kind of plug in, so to speak, to the GM supply chain to a certain extent. You have a big company backing, which is kind of what they were looking for. They will exchange $2 billion in newly issued common stock for the services and access to General Motors' global safety tested and validated parts and components. That's what the company announced. Now, this is not going to speed up the production of the Badger. It's not coming until late 2022, but it's a very futuristic looking vehicle, a much different take than what Tesla is aiming at with the Cybertruck. And it just goes to show you the commitment of the traditional automakers, the gas-based automakers, to the electric vehicle marketplace, and how the whole market has basically agreed we're shifting, we're going, we're running. It's time to be in the electric vehicle space in a big way. And this is just another example of that.